This right here is the 63-inch arched console table. And this table looks so nice with these arched doors. And I absolutely love the design with the arched doors because it just brings so much flair and style into the room. Now, as you can see here, I have this between two windows and it fits perfectly. And I absolutely love the color because this has a nice black wood styled material that's actually going to be a high quality MDF board, which is able to support up to 150 pounds. So that's going to be very easy to support books, flower vases, candles, and even a TV. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so I want to first off say that the setup on this was actually really easy. The directions were super easy to follow. All of the pictures were labeled. So this was effortless to build. Now take a look at these arches because they're absolutely huge. It makes such a nice statement piece. Now I want to show you the material on here. This material is going to be an MDF board. It's really soft. It's almost like nothing that I've felt before. But what I like about this material is actually it's super easy to clean. So all you have to do is just wipe it with a damp cloth and this thing's going to be good to go. Another thing that's nice is you have 3 different sets of storage here. So not only does it just look amazing in the room, but you can also put stuff on the top like a flower vase, candles, lights, and you even get this storage here in the middle and then also on the bottom. One of the features that really stand out to me is going to be the LEDs up here. As you can see, we got a LED running all the way through there and over here. So it shines a light on this candle and really just emphasize anything that you have in this storage console. Now on the inside, they have this nice mounting system where you can actually touch this and you can shut off the lights. You can change them to 3 different modes. So I really love that. The warm light is definitely going to be my favorite, but I love how these arches go all the way up and they're just so dramatic and bring a lot of attention and style to this piece. This is going to be a really dark material. I would say probably on the verge of being like a black wood style. Could also go very well with a really dark brown accent in the room. So over here on my dining room table is definitely going to have some brown accents, some brown wood on the side, and I think this goes perfectly. This would be absolutely perfect for an entryway in your home. You could put this behind a couch or just use this in your hallway as a nice accent piece and maybe even put a picture above it with a nice lighting system or something. I actually think that's something that I'm going to do in the future because this is such a nice style and I've been seeing a lot of people put the picture frames in a light, so that's probably something that I'm going to do. This is such an affordable price and I can't believe how high quality this actually is. Let me show you how wide this is. It's not going to be super wide. It's going to give you a lot of space to actually walk by. That's why it would be perfect for an entryway as well. But it's such a statement and the arches are just so dramatic. It's amazing. Here's a nice look at the bottom. You kind of have like a 2-tier setup right there. So it's going to have a little bit more dimension. But the fact that you can put stuff in here, turn the light on and really just shine light on what you're actually trying to display makes it a lot more cool and dynamic. Now this kit also comes with some material to put in the back so you can attach this to the wall so it doesn't tip over if you do have kids, pets, or anything that can make this thing wobble. But in my opinion, this actually seems very stable on its own. In the kit, you're also going to get these clear edge stoppers right here. So you're going to be able to protect the corner. That white on there actually just comes off because it's an adhesive, and then you're going to have clear protectors. I didn't need to put them on because I don't have kids or pets in the home, but that's just another form of protection that does come with the kit. Now overall, if you're considering getting an entryway console, I definitely recommend this. This is super high quality, looks amazing, and brings a lot of attention and style to your home. I love this piece and I highly recommend it. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.